Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, and today we have a special guest.
Hi guys, it's Stevie. Hey, hello world. She has on her little bolero. Yes.
The Balenciaga one that Auntie's going to get her is on the way, as well as a Versace onesie, because there's nothing too good for my
She
niece.
has a hat too.
That's a very big hat. She's dressing up.
I brought her a hat. But sometimes it gets cold in the cupboard, so
We have everything in the closet, including newborns and a crib.
I know. She's so sweet. She's peeling now though. That's what's happening because she was in the amniotic fluid for so long. So it's like she raisined up, so she's getting. It's come off of her feet.
It's come off a lot.
It's just her head that have it now.
So how do you feel having this little human that you have to keep alive?
My back is killing me. First of all.
Oh, from the epidural.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, from the epidural?
Is it the epidural
Yes.
that makes your back hurt?
Yeah. Yep. I had that too, and I want to tell you it lasts a while.
You lie.
Yeah,
I
it lasts a
keep on
little
saying to
while.
Scott, I'm like, my back is killing me, my back is killing me, it hurts so much.
And remember with Levi, I used to change him on the bed in the in his room, and it was lower down. Oh, that was hell.
Well, I'm changing her in the night on the bed.
And that bend down, it's from the epidural.
Oh
it's not
my
from
gosh.
anything. The epidural and the pushing.
I can't wait till Scott says that she can sleep in her own room, because right now she's sleeping in the bassinet beside us.
Yeah. Why don't put her in her own room for a little bit?
The first sleep she does her own room, and then the other two sleeps, because when I wake up in the night I'm tired.
To walk over. Okay, I was just asking.
Yeah. But I mean, it's just like she doodled up the sheet the other night. I had to wake up in the middle of the night and change the sheets.
She's so sweet. Sean, you don't want another baby?
I was going to say that when your back started to hurt, I had to go in on your back.
Wow, Joe.
What does that mean?
To massage your back and
Oh.
Right.
So
That was nice.
yeah, me don't want no more kicking because of that.
Oh,
That's
he's
your
not
heart.
a masseuse. He's not a masseuse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he doesn't like that role.
Okay, cool, no problem, no problem.
There's many roles that Sean takes on. Masseuse is
Not one of them. Okay, cool. Got you.
So he's
That's not true, I'm a good masseuse.
okay.
There's no excuse.
I guess you're a different type of masseuse then. You're the one that does the happy ending.
That too, but
Oh, no, babies are a lot, man. I don't blame Sean.
She's so sweet. She's like rolling her eyes at you. She's getting upset.
So yesterday we went to go get her BCG, and we're in the hospital, and I dressed her up in like a tutu skirt and this little striped top that said ice cream for everyone. So I carry her in there, and why is my child dressed like a hooch and everybody else has their baby in there?
Did you take pictures?
Yes.
Okay.
And everybody else has their baby
get
in
that.
there in like mittens and the little ugly hat and wrapped up in the blanket, and I'm like, dudes, it's like 3,000 degrees
It's hot.
outside.
If what the doctor had said to me is, if you feel hot, imagine the baby feeling 10 degrees hotter. If you are cool, the baby's feeling 10 degrees cooler, or the baby's 10 degrees off from your temperature, or something like that.
But she gets so pink.
That's how you know.
That's how I know.
Baby's pink, must be warm. Baby's pink, must be cold. So what color she know?
This is her normal little color. And you can feel her toes like this.
Rosé.
I know. Levi was very pink too.
Yes.
There's hope.
And Remi was this weird color. Alright guys, so that's YouTube's bonus footage. We are going to head on over to Instagram,
Let me just give you guys
where we're going to go live. You have to put the YouTube hand. Oh, tree. Oh, that is the shot right there. That was really sweet. Make sure you like the video. Drop a little baby in the comments for Stevie. Alright, we are
Never drop a baby. Never.
the baby emoji.
Hello?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sure, hold on. You can ask to open the gate. Scott is here.
What's he doing? It's a family affair?
He just wants to come.
Oh, hold on, I have to come off of the Sean, Sean, the YouTube camera is going.
Well, baby tonight.
No, baby tonight. Okay. We are going. Am I too close to you? Put baby Stevie in the shot. I don't need to be in the shot. This is so. Hi guys. Wait. My niece. Hi guys. Hi Joe. Hello everybody. Yay! Hi my fan page. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Stevie.
Hi guys.
Where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for an hour of fun, frolic and foolishness. And babies.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Shucks.
So this week our special guest is Stevie, and Stevie is here in her jacket and she's
And her hug me, but it's a cactus because it's Corona. Auntie Carly bought her this. So sweet.
I think this is the closest I've ever been to her.
I know.
I'm like this. I'm like, I don't want to go too close.
I know. She's sweet though. She's very sweet. Even though she curls up like a little tree frog.
Yeah. Oh, I like the little faces she makes.
She's so sweet. Look at her little faces. I love her, you see? Sometimes I just want to eat her like a Peeps Marshall around at Easter time. I just want to...
Easy.
Okay, sorry. Okay. So yeah, so what's going on?
Come put her in the shop more.
Okay, sorry, hold on. Let me put her in this arm like this. She has on her balera. She had little tights, but she kind of doo-doo, so...
She's kind of doo-dooey.
Yeah, she loved to doo-doo, just like her auntie.
Alright guys, so you know Tracy, I hope you guys watched the YouTube video of Welcome Stevie and Stevie meeting her cousins. Also we would like to apologize. Last night a video premiered, Groovy Granola and Mom Brain licked the two of us.
I know.
We're so sorry.
I totally forgot.
Sorry about that.
Actually, that video was kind of funny because I did it like as soon as I woke up. I had no breakfast and I really wanted granola, so I'm like literally in my robe cooking.
Alright, I can't be too loud. I don't know how to be loud. I can't be loud.
No,
Do you guys have any questions? Let's talk about Tracy and everything but the birth, because that's on the YouTube video. Do you want to know how she's been doing? Tracy looks really good. Yes, she does.
Oh, thank you.
She looks really good.
Dudes, it took me like 3 hours to get ready today because Stevie would not come off the breast. So in the daytime, she kind of cluster feeds. So, which means I'm just on demand.
Wait,
so,
hold on. Well, we've lost Wi-Fi connection, so
Oh.
let me just come off of Wi-Fi.
Yeah. So, it's just crazy because I'm...
Wait, we're still reconnecting. Digicel won't let me be great.
As usual. I just don't know why Digicel
Sorry,
always does this.
Digicel flop me. See, man, I gotta call the other phone company.
Stevie start cook for herself. No fits. She does not know the joys of Maggie seasoning yet.
I was just about to make a comment about Maggie. Today I made a recipe for my diet that's going on and I'm there making it and I'm like, Fitz is going to be in the comments of this video talking about where's the Maggie. That don't taste good. Too much vegetable.
I know. Oh, that was for your core fit diet?
Yes. How is her sleeping through the night?
Well, we've tried to put her on a quote-unquote schedule. So at around 5 o'clock, that's her last feeding at around 5 o'clock, and then 6:30 is when I give her wipe down with warm water, just a rag, a bowl of water. Scott says we need to use something other than the same pan that we season in. It's a metal pan and I wash it. I just don't find that it's...
I think it's fine. So
Yeah.
she's a Maggie baby then.
She's a Maggie
yeah,
baby.
Yeah, Jamaican seasoning. Yeah.
And then I just wipe her down with the warm water, and then at about 6:37 she's getting a feeding, and so she will sleep for 3 hours after that first feeding, and I make sure that she's hungry and has been active, so she's tired. So she'll sleep for 3 hours, and then I feed her for about an hour. It takes an hour to do both births, and I have to burp her in between.
Are you doing a lot of skin to skin?
Well, yeah, because like today, it's not purposeful skin to skin, but like today, I was in the shower and she started crying, so I had to come out naked and hush her.
I thought you were in the shower like breastfeeding her.
Like slip and slide. Oh, but Scott does a lot of skin to skin with her. I guess my skin to skin is booby time against her head. I mean,
Yeah, your boobs are great.
They do. I do.
She's a cow. I never thought Tracy would be a cow. And she's apparently making a lot of milk. Stevie was feeding and all he hears, gay, 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 gay.
No, I got 4 ounces out from my haka today. That's just a runoff from your second boob.
Girl,
4.
you're good.
Dude, it's so crazy. Crazy. What is that?
So, see, a lot of people, she's so adorable.
How do you swaddle the baby in the Jamaican heat? I don't. Unless it's AC time at night time, that's the only time I swaddle her. And even the AC don't feel cold. God no. It was so hot the other day on Sunday when you guys were over.
Really?
You didn't
On
find it?
yes, on Sunday. Yeah, it was hot.
It was a scorcher.
I've called ATL. They're coming to do a central air conditioning in your house for my niece. She shall not sweat.
Oh, because JPS time to deliver the bill to your
Okay.
Because God no, we don't know what JPS dep on. Okay.
So the baby's name is Stevie. Her name is Stevie Marie. Marie is my middle name as well. A couple of the other questions about my shirt. This is by a Jamaican, what do you call her designer? She's a fashionista. Kim Possible Waterhouse. She has a brand. You can check her out. MKNE. And they have like, this one is an Aki. They have some like a bicycle shot, some bodysuits, some really cool things. You can check out her website. And
Send
yeah,
it to me because I like that.
it's nice quality too. I got the coconut one as well, which is limited edition. And yes, what else? What other comments did I see? Oh, what am I drinking? Soup. A joke. Nobody asked that. I'm just telling you.
So what happened? What happened? Why you're not drinking, Lady B's?
Okay, so guys, I realized that I put on some weight, a lot of weight. Who do we have here? Oh, Levi. I put on a lot of weight, so I decided to go on a diet. So I went back on the diet that I know works for me. It's a core fit diet. So it's no sugar, no carbs, and I'm doing it for 1 month. And it's I have to be very what do you call it? Not determined, diligent and faithful. So my Lady B's pouch today. Today I'm imaginary drinking a strawberry passion fruit mojito. Trey, you want to sip?
He wants to get permission because I said she's got her BCG, so he
Oh.
needs to hear it from you, Mommy.
Come to this side, baby. Come. Levi is here. They love it. Come over here. It's okay. It's okay, Levi. Come. Did you wash your hands?
Change your t-shirt? You want to change his t-shirt?
That's not the shirt he wore to school. He's changed already. Come over here.
Go, go. This
The
is
baby
Stevie.
Stevie winking at you. Come. And she's smiling now that she sees that it's you closer. Oh my gosh,
What you
Levi.
want him to do, Trey? This side or?
Just make him sit on your lap.
He just wants to know that he can...
Oh my gosh, is she smiling because she sees her cousin?
Yes, the woman.
Yes.
You want to touch her like a foot?
How it feel?
Soft.
It is. And you see how the skin came off? That she was. Remember you were asking what happened?
Yeah. But the skin never comes off.
Yeah, but it will take some time. She just a little dry, you know?
For exfoliate.
Yeah, we'll have to exfoliate her. I shall get her the Dolce & Gabbana body scrub. Nothing is too good for my niece. You'll use Kanye, Levi. Never mind.
How was school today?
Good. Okay, there's 4 people. There's 1, 2. No. So Auntie Chick is 1, and then Stevie's 2, and then my mom is 3, and then I'm 4.
Oh, very good.
What about
No,
Nana?
I'm not in
Oh, sorry. Right. Very good, Levi. Very, very good.
His concept of numbers is
Mhm.
amazing.
Because there's like 4 people in here, but there's not even Nana in here.
Oh, in the shot. Okay, I understand. Okay.
You taking
Great
off
job,
your shirt?
Levi. Want to take off your shirt?
No,
I'm showing those muscles?
and just doing this.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Where's your sister?
Where's Remi?
Downstairs eating Wendy's. And a while ago, she just spit all the chicken nuggets, and it was like,
She spit out all the chicken nuggets? Careful,
Yeah.
this is hot soup. Let me just put it over.
yeah.
That's very naughty. Huh. Did you have your lunch?
Guys, look, I don't have no hands. Look,
Oh no. Hello? Oh no.
I cut off my hands on this
No.
video.
Oh, just kidding.
I've one hand, not even 2. Look, guys. I'm just kidding.
What letter did you do in school today?
I did numbers.
You did numbers? Okay. Oh, okay. Cool
Wow.
dude. Cool dude.
Very cool.
Do you love your cousin Stevie?
Yeah.
What's the best thing about her?
The best thing about her is that her thing that she
Her auntie.
her belly button is very soft.
Her bed. On Sunday, her navel string finally fall off, and the kids were so happy. They thought it was like dried poo attached to her, so they're very happy that her navel string dropped off. What's it called? Navel string is Jamaican. Umbilical cord.
Yes.
Hey,
Careful, that's hot soup, baby. That's
Can
hot
I
soup.
see those?
See what?
Can I see?
So yes, so that is why. It's can
Would ya?
I have another sip of
Another
the
sip.
babies?
So what were?
And I want both.
Levi, you want some sip of Lady B's? It's rum.
No.
Good boy.
Yeah, don't.
My daddy's gonna kill me. if he comes out here no time,
Stevie, you want to say?
kill me.
Only milk. So today I'm pretend drinking a strawberry passion fruit mojito from Lady B Mixology, and guys,
It's morphine time. Bubblegum activate. After you can see your bubblegum in my mouth.
I have a bubblegum in my mouth.
I'm having my soup, so no bubblegum for me just yet. That's a lot.
I
Guys,
read bubblegum.
I'm gonna tell you how you can get your free Lady B Mixology pouch. So because I'm not drinking my pouch today, the next
Guys, watch this. I'm gonna look like a vampire. I look funny. I look scary.
Yeah, you look scary. Careful, don't scare cousin.
Where is Scott?
Scott is downstairs with Remi.
Oh yes, sorry.
His girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so let me tell you how you can get, hold on, careful, mind my hot soup. Oh.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get my...
No. Oh, sorry, he's not done. Okay, so for the person who orders makes their order with Lady B Mixology, once you say, hey, Jodi sent me, she will give you your strawberry passion fruit mojito pouch that I was supposed to have today. So basically, you place an order and you get one free for one person who orders.
And you
the next
can get this.
You can't get that. You can't get that. You're just the next person who orders and uses my code will get my pouch that I'm supposed to have today. It's a strawberry passion fruit mojito. Drink up, breastfeeding, mommy.
I love passion fruit.
Ah, those flavors.
I know. You know, passion fruit is definitely one of these fruits where you first eat it and you're like,
Yes, it's sour and then it's sweet, like a punch bag, like a punch fruit.
yes. So when they order their thing?
Yeah, so if I'm like, hey, I'm placing an order, I have a party on Saturday, hey, Jodi sent me, then you'll get your order as per usual, pay for it, and then she'll be like, hey, because you're the person that first said Jodi sent me, you get her pouch.
Oh.
So it's just one pouch for the next person who orders who says Jodi sent me.
I got this and you know I did.
Excuse you guys, you're not gonna let us see Nana, they see you. They see you. Is that Nana in the back?
It sure is, Nana.
Nana, you're like sneaking around, they see you. It's a family affair.
We're having a family reunion in August, you know.
Yeah.
I actually have to call cousin JJ today because JJ says that he's not coming, and I was like, whatever you are. Anyway, so today we have a game.
Yes, we have a game. Careful, darling, don't that.
And
So-
I have a bike game.
So Kimberly Stewart, she created this game. It's called Extra Lessons, Jamaica Extra Lessons. Hold that up, Trey.
Are these characters?
No. This was people. So no matter where I've traveled to in the world, my heart will always belong to Jamaica. Living in a foreign country has somehow made me feel closer to home, and I always knew that whatever path I took in life, Jamaica would always be the foundation for that. My passion has always been to help and give back to my country and my people. The same people the same country and people who are at the core of who I am today. So the Instagram page is @expertjamaican. The game price is 4,500 Jamaican dollars, which I think is just so reasonable. That works out at about $40 US. It's available on Etsy, and if you're in Jamaica, you just message her, and of course she'll figure out how you get your.
It's really nice though.
Quality.
Yeah.
Guys, so this is even longer and I can do any video.
So there's 2 games in the box. This side here is like a taboo kind of game, and it's 4 players. Levi,
Get the roof.
and this side over here can be for 2 players. So Tracy and I are going to play the 2-player game.
You have to get the roof, guys, or smack down. You have to smack down the
Okay,
roof.
okay, all right, Levi, calm down, okay?
It's
Alright.
fine.
Why
So-
you don't call me to start until you come from daughter?
All right, so Trey,
Yes.
we're going to play. The timer is for 1 minute. So I'm going
Wait,
to.
I want to play that as well.
You're going to play that as well? Or you're on Auntie Tricky's team, all right?
No,
You have to listen-
I want to be on Stevie's team.
You're on Stevie's team. But she's on the phone.
I'm listening to you.
All right, so I'm going to turn over
But
the timer.
where's Stevie?
She's
She's
right
back there
behind you.
sleeping. So I'm going to say the
Where are you?
Jamaican saying, and then Tracy has to tell me what it
Oh,
is,
wait,
or
wait,
like
wait,
the.
and come for Stevie. She's sleeping though.
No, wait, that's the timer. You ready, Levi?
But she's
Yeah,
sleeping, so she's
I'm
not
on
really ready for it.
Stevie's
Come for her.
team. I'm
Alright, okay,
on
love you, man.
Stevie's team. And
Call Uncle Kyle. Call Uncle Kyle. I joke, don't call Uncle Kyle.
Oh.
All right, ready? Ready, Trey?
Yeah.
call Nathan.
Finish your Jamaican proverb. One,
Call
two, one,
Nathan,
two,
guys,
can't get
okay?
it.
Call Nathan.
Getty. Wanty.
No, want.
You don't get that one. Next one.
No, want to watch that.
Miss Universe Jamaica 2017 was?
Miss Universe.
She's your
Casey
favorite.
Fennell?
No, 17. She's your favorite. Chocolate goddess.
Oh, Sarah Lawrence.
Another chocolate goddess.
Yendi.
No, another chocolate. Darker chocolate than Yendi.
Ooh.
You missed it. Davina Bennett.
Oh man.
Finish the line of the song. Decent somebody na want you know nyam?
First school.
I don't know that song. I'm very bad at this.
Who sang the hit single Night Nurse?
Ooh, Gregory Isaac.
Yes, good, you get that one. Finish the Jamaican proverb. Chicken Mary?
Hot
Mom,
Mary
how do you,
Bye.
Denair, yes.
Mom,
more
how
to
do
get.
you get this out?
The first Jamaican point to give Jamaicans pride in their culture and the strong
Louise
sense of
Bennett.
You get that one too.
I'm an old-time Jamaican apparently.
Jamaican-born actress who
I
plays the role of the
don't
Queen
see-
Adelon in Coming to America. You're not going to know that. Time is up.
Isn't that Coming to America with Eddie Murphy?
Yeah, there's a Jamaican in there. Her name is Madge Sinclair.
I want
Okay.
to be on the red team.
Okay, but Levi, are you going to listen? All right. Trey,
That's my turn.
Okay.
see on this side, you pick up and you see how this one was here. Finish the Jamaican proverb, and that was what I had to say.
Yeah.
Mom,
okay.
how do you open
Ready?
stuff?
My
Pick up
time is
from- pick up
starting.
From the blacks? The black or the
Anyone you
green?
want.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Go.
What does it mean for someone to get a rake?
Get a clue?
Yes.
Okay, pick
You
up
get-
another card.
Okay. Mostly consumed around a certain time of the year, this plant has a
Sorrel.
similar flora to okra plants. It is sorrel. Okay, very good. Which Jamaican Prime Minister introduced social and economic reforms as a minimum wage?
Manly.
Yes, very good. Wow. Very
You're
good.
very good at this game, Mom.
Bonus challenge. This is worth 1 extra point. Name all 14 parishes of Jamaica.
G's on peace. Cornwall, Middlesex, Surrey, and everything in between. I get it. Next one.
No, you
I
flop.
get that one. What are you talking about? Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey, and everything in between.
One of the most anticipated events of the Christmas season in Jamaica, a night filled with vendors, entertainment, and the opportunity for people to meet.
Night market.
Yes, Grand Market. Wow. You ever been?
No, girl. More go though. Chance.
Bob Marley's full birth name.
Robert Nesta Marley.
Whoa,
Time. How much I get?
You got all of them.
I got all, except one.
No,
I
you
can't
said
name.
that
I don't
one,
think I
two,
can name
three,
all the
four, five.
parishes.
You got 5.
Whoa, should we play another round, guys?
I think that was really cool.
Oh,
I,
th-
Are
instead
the
of
want
cards
night-
on the cards?
I want to do it
So
now,
you're
Mom.
learning what even
Yeah.
Okay, Levi wants to do it. Ready, Levi?
I'm on the red team.
Listen. Okay, sorry. You have to listen. Listen, Levi. Let me read it to you. You have to answer. Are you ready? What Afro-Jamaican religion is mostly associated with the parish of St. Thomas? A. Pentecostalism. B. Kumina. C. Ethiopian Orthodox. Or C. Or D. Pocomania. Which one?
I can barely reach
Kumina.
the
Kumina.
fart.
Ah. All right. But I love this game. I really do, and I find that it's so cool that you can actually learn while you're playing.
It's not obvious. You stop this thing.
Stop!
Please stop that because if you scratch
It
up.
should be in the schools.
So then let's look up the cards from like the taboo side. So this would be. Oh, so okay, you have to guess what word I'm
Bingo,
thinking
bingo,
of.
bingo. That's
Okay,
the
Lady
bingo.
Mixology gives us one of these. It don't have no liquor in it, and we love it. It's a
Bag juice.
yes.
Guys,
Backside,
watch this.
easy, easy.
Guys, watch this. I can lift it up million miles just because my arm
Go
is
check on
big.
Uncle Scott. Go check on Uncle Scott.
Stop.
Take that with you.
No!
Okay. This is what I love to eat with my steamed fish.
Okra, bami.
Bami, yes. Okay.
Mama, how do you get this part
Okay,
out?
When I always beg Levi for these, I always
Kiss,
or
smooch, kiss, hug.
What you call
Love.
it in Jamaica? No, kiss in Jamaican is what?
Mwah.
No.
Chops.
Yes.
Okay,
Give me
we're
little
gonna
chops now.
we're gonna get everybody involved. So
It's
if you
not
guys
up
whoever
to
answers
me.
the next one first, let me just show something. Lord.
So what about this one?
Okay.
Oh, what game is that? This is a Jamaican game called Jamaica Extra Lessons. It's available on Etsy. Is it? And what stores is it available in out here?
You can follow their Instagram page, Expert Jamaican, and Kimberly Stewart will guide you as to if you're in foreign, clearly order through Etsy, and if you're in Jamaica, I'm sure you can order through Etsy and she'll just deliver to you.
Yo, this is wicked for schools though.
Yeah, let me see a picture.
This is really, she's a nice girl. She's a nice looking girl.
All right, guys. So we have a giveaway for you guys today. So I've been upping my water intake.
And your name is Car Key, so I got a booster, and so I don't care, and I have a gun.
What happened?
Okay, come Levi. You go downstairs now. Go get Remi.
No.
Come Levi.
Go call Uncle Scott to come for Stevie for me, please.
Go Levi. Go. Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Lord, we have a giveaway. We have a giveaway.
Yes, the Jamaica, I guess, Gabby Thwaites, Jamaica Extra Lessons.
Expert
Isn't it
Jamaican
great?
is here. All right, so we have a giveaway to everybody. So on my diet, I've had to up my water intake, and I found this water bottle that I love. It's actually in 5 different pieces, so I can put some, lemon and some mint in there. So I have a water bottle I'm going to give away to the first person on Instagram who guesses. So Trey, you watch the comments.
Oh, okay.
All right.
So guys, I have to be like this.
All right. Get ready.
Comments. Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys. First person to guess gets himself a water bottle. It is a fruit. It's in Jamaica. It's soft and yellow on the outside. They use it to make jelly. Watch your comments. Also it's this one hard, man. It tastes good. It's very fragrant. It is very, very fragrant. And if this drop off of the tree, it will like smell up on the ground. It's used to make jelly. I've said that before. It's sweet.
No, I'll give one. Yes, Cheyenne 876 guava. Jodi, those were like the roughest ever clues.
No, I got it from, she said, she said fragrant, round and
Hold on,
yellow.
hold
CHENNE
CHENE_CHENNE.
There's a Y in there.
Oh.
Hello.
Again.
Again.
I tell you,
Oh gosh, man. Hold on. Where's Cheyenne?
Show the little counters.
My name is Cool.
Y-E.
Yeah, I love guava though. It's smelly, but I love it. It really is smelly though. I love when you stew it down with ice cream.
Okay.
How do you guys? Hi, Shugs.
Okay, guys. So, Cheyenne, you've won yourself a water bottle. I will link you in the DMs later to tell you how to get it. Guys, you can get your own game. Go on to Expert Jamaica.
He was just on the line a while ago.
Expert Jamaica Kimberly will help you. She's here on the live. You know what? I'm gonna take this game to the country.
Yes.
Can we do we have anything else to give away? We have a pickup. Alright, let's just play it. Let's just play for fun, guys. Let's just play for fun.
Yeah, let's just play for fun.
Let's just play for fun. Whoa! Okay, here we go. In 2 years, if I have another child, out.
Oh wow, why are you out?
Because I said child. The guess word was wash belly.
Oh.
Oh.
Tracy loves to cook this. Grace makes it.
Quinoa.
They're supposed to guess, not you.
Sorry.
But then you have to show Tracy the answer so she can see that it's coming up right on the
Oh.
screen. You hide it from her.
I don't know what.
No.
Why?
So she can see who's getting it correct first on
Okay,
the screen.
she was supposed to. Adam, no more guesses. All right. Nano.
Okay.
I don't want that one in the song.
This is a collection of words from a long time ago
Onomatopoeia.
that was given to Moses on top of the
the
hill.
5 testaments, the commandments, the 10 commandments.
Okay, but they are
Tablets.
located inside of which
Which
Ark of the
section?
Covenant, Exodus,
But this is like
Old Testament.
Yes.
Very good, very good. So this is okay, guys. This is for you guys out there. This is what Remi wears on her feet every day to school. If you know Remi, you'll know exactly what is on her feet every day at school.
Nothing.
It's absolutely nothing. So therefore, she is what? Hello?
My guava sweet. Tell him, Jodi. What guava, Sean?
Wow. What's happening in the comments? Sean
Sean and him sweet seed.
and Scott is in the comments too.
And Scott is downstairs. Scott, if you want, you can. I'm sure the people would love to see you. Come on, Scott.
Yes, Fitzroy, barefoot. Fitz, Lonnie, barefoot. That's
And
the
Kim is
answer.
barefoot, yes.
Barefoot.
When my girl was taking her pictures the other day, you know I never send no shoes or school pictures. How could I send shoes? That wouldn't have been right. I'll go through.
Oh my gosh, did you tell them about what Remi did with the titty? So this is so funny.
shame.
This is so funny. So anyway, so you know it's very weird. Like a newborn is very weird for the other kids because they're the navel string is weird. They're like, what the heck is that? And then she's peeling because she's been in the amniotic fluid for so long. So they're like, why is she peeling? So anyway, Stevie gets hungry, so I just whip out my tit and I just put it in her mouth. So Levi is like, what are you doing, Auntie Tricky? So I was like, Levi, baby animals drink milk from their mummy's titties. Like cows drink milk from the titties, goats, pigs. I was like, and humans do it too because we are animals as well, And so he was like, oh. So then Remi's sitting down there. So Remi's like looking and I'm like, it's my breast. Milk comes from my breast. So Remi's looking and she's like, breast? So I'm like, yes, milk. That's what Stevie eats. Next thing we know, see Remi here to her mother.
Remi comes over to me about breast. I'm like, no, Remi, there's no milk in mommy's breast. Like, that's not how it goes. You're a big girl now. You have food. You don't need any breast. So then now, later that night, I'm there and I'm putting her to bed. So I notice she doesn't want to go over my shoulder. She wants me to cradle her. Then I just feel some little fingers are pulled down my finger. And I'm like, Remi, there's nothing in there for you. It's impossible. It's not going to happen. There's no milk. No milk. Tricky, you and Jodi used to think dog don't have pum pum. Sean, goodbye. Come off of the live.
It's true though. I'll never forget that day. Sean was so disappointed.
He had to draw. He's like, so what? It's one hole. It's a universal dog.
I thought it was one hole too. I didn't know that dogs have pum pum and bottom hole.
Oh, she wash her hands? She gonna want to touch.
Hi, Rem.
See Stevie.
Mom, how
Yes,
do
Remi.
you
Come and tell everybody hi.
how do you do this?
very
How you
quiet.
undo this?
Hi guys.
What?
You're so cute.
Levi, this is one of my tripods in a don't mash it up.
You're eating orange.
What?
Be careful.
Yay.
Closet full today, man. Closet full today.
Yes. Says Nana probably so disappointed.
But I didn't understand, like, where, but you don't see like two big lips hanging out of a dog. It's always like that little peenie thing.
Looking thing.
I didn't know you peel open that penis and there's a vagina in there. Like, that's alien.
Yeah, it was weird.
That's really weird.
Yeah.
So strange.
Levi, if your mommy allowed you to get a pet, what kind of pet would you get?
Hey.
You could choose any
okay,
animal.
okay. Auntie Tricky
Come and
so
sit here.
that I can have a cat.
No.
No.
I never said a cat. I said if I would get you something. But it wasn't a cat.
I don't like cats. They're too
It was
independent.
It was a fish I told you I would get for you.
Yeah.
The last fish Tracy bought was Mr. Spliffington James, and I
didn't
was
know it was
told
going to
a
leave such a
goldfish
mark.
was only going to live like 9 months. The damn fish lasts about 2 years.
Yeah.
And Sean was very upset when he
fish I've
died.
ever seen it in life.
Sean, you don't have work to do, man. Why you harassing me about the dog pum pum? Jeez on peace. If you never know, you never know. I never know. I didn't know. Nobody never skin open a dog and show me it. How am I supposed to know?
I
think
agree,
it was
Jo.
a very rational.
But I was
like,
asking, I need to know this. Because my helper asked me this morning, do elephants' babies suck titty?
Yes, they're mammals.
through that big old trunk. They
Move
have.
it to the side.
You mean? Oh,
Let
the
them
trunk
put
is
this-
the nose.
the trunk to the side.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen an elephant nursing before.
I mean, just like you can lift up your leg and
They
put it
sit
to the
on their
side.
bottom
Yeah.
and the boobies
And just
are
move it
out.
to the side.
Yeah.
Never seen that before.
No, I've never seen an elephant nursing.
I did.
Well, have you seen the
I saw that
dolphin?
before.
You've seen an elephant nurse?
Yeah.
Dolphins are mammals too.
Look at Remy. Oh, Remy loves Stevie.
Love.
Let her touch her foot.
Me as well.
You and Levi too. Levi
Levi
too.
loves
You
her
never brought
so
your pack and
much
play?
too.
Or,
See it
It's
right here?
behind you.
We have everything in the closet.
oh,
Yes, everything is
oh,
here.
so Nana just want to hold her.
You're
She was
fired.
fussing,
You're
so-
fired.
Levi, be careful with that thing. My goodness.
So anyway.
Oh, let's take a sip. Everybody come for a sip. Today's flavor is a strawberry passion fruit.
Mommy,
Well, I just put it
You want a sip too? No rum for Remy.
Set her and then I put it on and she started to
Say hi, guys. You want?
Right, because it's just
Wipe? You wiping, baby?
okay,
It's a family affair.
So
It's a
I'm
family.
not cutting my hair. I love it.
Hey, mind the mirror.
Do you guys prefer my hair curly or straight? What do you-
Curly.
Curly.
You
Curly.
prefer my hair curly?
Yeah.
Definitely 100%, yeah.
Really? I prefer it straight, you know.
Prefer your hair curly.
What do you say, Rem? Do you prefer my hair curly? You changed your earrings.
Yeah, I noticed that. It's tricky.
Yes, girl.
These ones are flatter. We have to change them. I've already started buying all the diamonds in the world for my niece. She needs diamonds, rubies, and emerald earrings. So I put down a payment on them. Only the best for her.
Yes. What's her birthstone?
Who?
Gemini?
Yeah.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Diamond. Yes, diamond.
Oh,
Don't worry, darling. Cubic zirconia is beautiful on you.
this is my husband.
Oh. Hi.
I love him.
When she's not cussing him.
It's
Right?
my favorite pastime is to cuss him.
That's what husbands are for.
He likes it. It turns him on.
Stevie's sleeping, baby. Stevie's in her little packet thing right here.
Mhm. Oh, it's emerald. Emerald is on Phoenicia. Says it's emerald. Kristen True's back set up.
When is her-
Emerald.
May?
She's a Gemini. May 27th.
You poop?
A day I will never forget.
You poop or you doodle?
Emerald.
It's
Yeah.
What do
I'm
you
not
need?
saying emerald, I'm saying agate.
Poop? Okay.
I'm saying agate.
Mm-hmm. Anyway,
Oh, because you put in Gemini.
so
Yeah,
guess
so
what
she's a
else?
Gemini. It's
Right.
agate.
You rest of that?
No.
Emeralds are for
Because-
Cancer.
So I did not know that
Because
chickpeas is something that you should not eat while you're breastfeeding.
I don't know.
It'll make the baby gassy.
It made me so
Agate is the
gassy.
birthstone.
I've never been that gassy before in my
What
life.
is an agate? Emerald is a
And my
agate. Not a
my
birthstone.
gluten intolerance
Agate.
is like
It's agate.
tenfold now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ugly.
Remy, would you like a gum?
That's a
Let me help you.
Scott's mommy
Put in
Joan.
Yeah.
She dropped off some groceries.
Auntie
in her
Tiki,
Gemini
so
is
what?
stone name.
You put
Maybe can't chew
stone.
gum.
She can't.
She can.
Birthstones by astrological
you have to watch
sign.
She can't.
Well, I don't
Gemini is
like. I
agate.
don't like.
Oh,
agate.
okay.
put in birth.
Over there quarreling. So yeah, so Joan dropped off some groceries for us, right? You know she loves to do that. It's so hilarious to me, right? But she dropped off these pita pocket things that were so delicious. So I had two. Oh my gosh, I really regret that.
June.
It was just too much.
Let's put in her birth date. You put in birth.
Cabbage will make the baby gas it too. Oh gosh, I just had cabbage and saltfish.
Because I got emerald and I want.
Yes, the closet is very
Yeah,
full
you're
today.
just stuck on emerald.
So anyway.
No, because that's ugly.
The astrological sign of Gemini.
Also, I just wanted to tell you guys that in my baby package I got from a friend Kate, she gave me this spray bottle, a peri-peri bottle. I think it's so
Closet
fabulous.
noisy, so. Full house today.
Jodi, people are asking about your t-shirt.
My t-shirt is from MKNE Designs, Kim Possible Waterhouse. She's a fashionista, Jamaican fashionista, and she has a line of clothing. You can check out our Instagram. Somebody had dropped the app below, Kim Possible Waterhouse, and
It's actually Pearl is the name.
and I went onto the website.
Not according to this. It's emerald birthstone.
Was that? Did I say? No. Do you have postpartum depression,
That could be
Tracy?
that could be a
You know what?
Gemini
I am
or
not going to
Cancer.
lie. I was
It's
so...
Pearl. Oh, sorry guys. Let me
They're
go
back there
downstairs.
fighting. Why are you leaving us? So I was so worried I was gonna have postpartum depression, but no, I'm very good. I mean, I'll be honest with you, it gets rough sometimes. Like this morning was really, really rough for me. Scott left and he went to work, so he's been going to work in the mornings and come back in the afternoons. But
Afternoon, that sounds like a whole day.
no, like at 12 or so.
midday.
Yeah, midday.
Stevie smiled at me.
She smiled at you?
What is Sean saying? Mommy, can you message Sean and ask him to come off the live for me?
So anyway,
When I was saying hi, Stevie,
she today was rough because like I needed mommy couldn't come.
Auntie Tricky,
Yes,
when I said hi, Stevie, she just smiled at me.
she did. Careful with that stick around her. Okay. So many kids.
A lot's happening today. A lot is happening today. And on top of everything in the closet, apparently Sean is giving trouble in the comments. So yes, Sean, thank you very much. Today is also about you too. Don't worry.
Couldn't be left out.
Couldn't be left out.
But-
Oh, okay.
And of course, Wanga Belly has food hot enough. So anyway, what was I saying?
I am back, guys.
Oh, so like today it took me like 3 hours, and then I was in the shower, I bathed, and then as soon as I put the shampoo in my hair, Stevie started to cry, and mommy couldn't come down this morning because she was doing some work at school. She was grading tests, and so it was really hard for me. So like I literally had to wait till mommy came so that she could just like hush Stevie for me while I was getting ready. I didn't think I was gonna make it today, to be honest with you. Yeah.
I asked you, I said, hey, do you want me to come on down? I asked you.
I know you did ask me, but at that time I thought she would have gone down and the titty was, you know, like, your bun looks really nice. Somebody's asking me, do I want more children? You know, Scott and I made a deal that before we got married that I would have 2 children. And let me tell you something, like, it is a lot. And I don't find mothering hard. Like, a lot of people are like, oh, it's so hard. I don't find it hard. I find it time consuming. So like things that you would think that, oh, this will take 5 minutes, takes 7 hours, and it's frustrating because
you soon get into a rhythm though.
Yeah. So I don't, and that's what happens. You wait till you get into a rhythm. But I don't find it hard. It's just time. Like today, trying to shower. It's not that showering is hard or that I can't shower. It's just
trying to figure out how to get
it.
But I remember the first time I was going out, and I strive on always being on time. The first time that I had to go out, I got ready like 3 hours in advance, and I was so frazzled because I was like, I can't be late, but everything took so long. Jeez,
yeah, you really do need somebody else there to like help. You know, and then it's been so nice because Nana has been coming down every day, and Nana has been just like,
careful girl, you're breastfeeding.
I know.
Oh, hey, slow down. She's saving me.
Woo!
Oh, quick drunk in the closet. We drunk in the closet. We drunk in the closet. Those were the days.
I know, eh? You remember that?
Mm-hmm.
And we keep a holiday.
I've been wearing my belly band though. Trying to get my belly down.
Remi.
She's right there.
She looks like a dog.
You can't go in there, babes. I'll hold you, but you can't go in there. You can check, but you can't go in there. No, you can't go in there. Can you guys see what's going on, baby? Oh Lord, she loves Stevie. She loves Stevie, but like, she can't understand that, you know, she's maybe a little rough a while ago. She's like, you know, shaking the pack up to shake the baby to sleep. Oh my God. No, she's ashamed. She's hiding in my pants.
This is why third children stay, so you know,
Yeah.
nothing can trouble them. To protect against heat damage when I blow dry my hair, I'm not endorsed by these products at all. I love the Alpha Power products. So I usually do a treatment before I blow dry my hair. So the treatment that I like by Alpha Power is the one in the green canister. So I'll use the shampoo, I'll use the conditioner, and then I will just use their blow dry serum, and then after, if I want to flat iron, they have a spray. I love the entire Alpha Power line, and it is available here in Jamaica. So that's another reason
plus,
why I love it. So
Talking
much.
about great products that are available in Jamaica, I don't know if you guys saw, I posted yesterday, I was at the New Kingston Business Center, and I was at EC Makeup Bar, and guys, I was trying out today, they have Fenty products, and do you think I'm as sweaty as normal?
You know, I was just looking at you and thinking how smooth.
Really?
Yeah.
So I went there yesterday, and I'm really impressed with the range of products that they have. They have from your favorite drugstore brands to the Fenty, to the Huda, to the, you know, all kind of stuff like that. And I said to one of the ladies, they're all very knowledgeable and very helpful. I said to her, I'm always so sweaty and shiny. She goes, girl, the foundation that you're using may not be compatible with your primer. So she asked what foundation I use, and she said, try and use this primer. So I'm trying it out today. So big up EC Beauty Bar. Yeah,
Okay, so a lot of people are asking about my belly band. So
you gonna show your band?
Yeah. So I actually have 2 belly bands. So sorry, pretend this is a bikini top. It's no different than a bikini top.
Bikini top. Oh, that's a nice nursing bra.
Thanks. So it's not a nursing bra. I used all of mine because my nipples leaked through everything. So I just have on a regular bra with some. So this is just a belly band that I have. Jodi gave it to me because I ordered one on the Amazon and it hasn't come in yet.
So show everybody your belly, because everybody has this whole stigma and blah 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 blah, and you know, I just feel like, you know, we need to see some real bodies and what's going on.
So remember I had the pups? Yeah. So remember I had the pups, so my belly is darker and I have a lot of scars going on there still.
Yes.
This is my line of Moderna or whatever that was.
Swallowed it.
Oh, she swallowed the gum. Remi, you can't get any more. Let me see.
Come, show it to Mummy. I think she says it's gone.
Is it gone, Remi, or you still have it? You have it?
Careful, Mummy.
Show Mommy the gum.
Right. So the belly's still jelly though. It's not quite back how it used to be. Feel the belly.
Yeah, but you're 1 week out, Trey.
I know, but it's still weird. You want to feel my belly?
You still have this.
Yes, I still have that. I'm gonna have to burn it off. Levi is very grossed out by all of my moles. So yeah. Yeah, so I've been keeping the skin moisturized. I'm still using I finished the belly butter Jodi gave me, and I'm still using the Live Echo lotion that we got on the show the other day, the one that smells so good. Actually, I just called them this morning to have them do a basket for me, for the nurses at the hospital.
Really?
Yeah. So
Tracy, you're looking great, ready for the go road, belly gone. She's doing good. She's doing really good. She has her compression going on. Yeah.
That school we were doing bingo.
Bingo, bingo, bingo.
So if Auntie go, that's the numbers we have to spot them. Auntie Tricky, I'm doing your hair for you.
Thank you. Thank you guys for the compliments that I'm doing great for just giving birth. Honestly, like I think that was one of the things that worried me the most was my body and getting my body back. And I really didn't enjoy pregnancy for a lot of reasons, and one of them was that I felt so. In my life, I've always been able to control my body. Like I've always been able to control my weight. You know what I'm saying? And so when pregnancy came and I wasn't able to control anything, I think that's what upset me so much. Like I felt so out of control. Just so like.
Yeah. How much weight did you put on in total?
20 pounds.
But Tracy, that's not bad. That's not bad.
No, it's not.
But what do you have to say to like moms who have just had a baby and their weight has spiraled out of control? And I feel like that too could also lead to postpartum. What would you have to say to moms?
Absolutely. I want to say to moms who their weight has spiraled out of control during their pregnancy. I want to say to you that one of the things I've always been interested in is how we can control our bodies. And now that the baby is here, it's time for you to make changes that are going to last in your life and that are going to be positive for your body. So, you know, losing weight is something that can be easy when you change your diet. And I'm not talking about, oh, let's have small portion foods, because you are breastfeeding and you are doing a lot. What you need to do is eat differently. So just eat your fruits. If you have a sweet tooth, eat lots of fruits. Try and eat lots of salads, lots of greens, you know, have little portions of, think of yourself as a vegetarian, you know, so have lots of fruits and vegetables, and then do smaller portions of the protein, smaller portions of the carbohydrates. Try to eat potatoes and sweet potatoes. Just do something that's very like that, you know. I love dieting like what Jodi is doing with the core fitness, but I think there's time and place for everything, and I don't think that's the diet for after you've had a baby. I think you might want to go and visit Camilla McDonald's sister, Dr. Kimani. She does naturopathic. You can buy Camilla McDonald's book, which is called Wake Up and Live. I find that her recipes and stuff like that, and her things in her book are very natural. And if your weight has spiraled out of control because you've had a baby, it's okay.
But this is your time for your body to spiral out of control. It's time for you to enjoy your baby, enjoy motherhood. It's not about your body and how you look. I remember when I first had Levi, or the second time I had Levi? No, the first, sorry. When I just had Levi.
No, the same as Remi was in your belly.
Yes. Right after I had Levi, I was under pressure to bounce back, and a television station had called me and asked, oh, you know, can we interview you about your bounce back body and how you did it? And I said to them, thank you for acknowledging. However, at the same time, I don't think that this is something that I want to highlight. This is not a pressure that I want to put on other moms, because really and truly the bounce back is not what's important about after you have a baby. So yeah, I don't think the bounce back is important. There's so much more for you to enjoy, you know?
Yeah, you know, I mean...
And it's already so much on your mind, burdening you. That,
and I find in Jamaica too, because we are a beach culture, and we are a culture that goes to parties, and we wear titty tops and batty riders, I find that a lot is put on the expectations of our bodies. Skin have to clean, nails have to do, hair have to did. And I love looking like that too, I do, but like, you know, we just have to be easy on ourselves. You know, I mean, I'm not going to lie. A couple of nights ago, I was putting Stevie to sleep, and I did have a little cry in the dark room.
did you go in the closet?
I was in her room, and it was dark.
I told you must cry in the closet. That's where I cried.
Oh yeah.
You know?
I caught you in the bathroom. You know?
Or I was in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Then you go in the bathroom, in the dark bathroom. I was holding Levi and crying. And my placenta didn't come out fully, so I was having bleeding for a very long time. Where did you get that from, Levi, man?
From the old keyword.
Closet mash up. Nana is very busy.
What is going on?
She's trying to put on my boots. She can put that. Careful how she walking them.
To our shoulders.
Lord of mercy. So we just want to congratulate our winner who won herself a infused bottle. It doesn't hold a lot, but to me, it helps me get my water down. So I'll tell you more about the bottle. I'll tell you more about the diet. I'm going to do a full YouTube video to tell you more about my experience, what I've cooked, the amount of weight that I've lost, because already, actually, I don't. You might, what kind of boots you putting on? Mine shall see. Oh, rain boots. Okay. All right. So, what else? We played our game. I think we should do a couple more cards.
I loved it. I loved
Guys,
this game.
drop what emoji can they drop? Drop
the card emoji.
they have cards. Drop a card emoji if you love the game, and let's play another round. Drop the card emoji. Is there a card emoji?
Hey, no,
Remi, careful. Remi, I broke up glass in your man.
no.
Closet done. Which one? Which side do you want to do? The guessing side?
Yeah.
The 2-player? Okay.
Okay, ready?
And then when we get enough card emojis, we will where's the timer? Levi, where's the timer? Levi gone with the timer.
Alright, ready?
I don't have the time.
You don't? Poor Nana. Nana going to sleep tonight.
What is going on?
Where's it?
Okay. MTV was.
Remi, no, shh. Yes. Oh, card emoji. We got some card emojis.
MTV was hesitant to play my music because of my look and sound. Which dancehall artist am I? A. Cecile. B. Elephant Man. C. Yellow Man. D. Shabba Ranks.
Shabba Ranks.
Very good. Which starchy plants received criticism due to the success of Jamaican Olympic victories?
Which one?
Which starchy plant
Yam.
and
Cassava.
no
Banana.
green banana?
Green
Yam
banana.
and green banana.
Green
Okay.
banana.
This movement was influenced by both Ethiopism and the back to
Rastafarianism.
Very good.
Rastafari.
Very good. Jodi,
I'm an expert Jamaican. No make nobody fool you.
what is
No
the
make the cool
smallest
skin fool
parish
you.
in Jamaica?
Smallest parish? Yeah, I know everything small, everything. Clarendon.
No, Kingston.
Really?
Yes. You need
I didn't know you meant along with my parish. Yeah, go on.
Guys, look at my laser eyes.
Wow.
What does it mean for Jamaican to say something no cut, no dash?
Ain't no right?
Unappealing, not impressive or outstanding.
Okay. Just as
Something no cut, no dash?
something I've never heard of that one
Me
before.
neither. Okay, alright, here we go. I was the first Jamaican recording artist to sing to a major. I was the first Jamaican recording artist to sign to a major US label. A. Beanie Man. B. Yellow Man. C. Shaggy. D. Sean Paul.
A major label?
Yeah.
Beanie Man.
No.
What?
Yellow Man.
Yellow Man, you lie! Big up
yeah.
Yellow Man, Jesus!
Yeah. Yellow Man, big up yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Last question.
Last question. And then let's give everybody else a question. Who said Bob? No, Bob never got well, I wasn't first.
In this game, you run toward the person counting to the same number.
Red light, 1, 2, 3, red light.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, let's give you guys a card and see. Let's give them a card. Jism. Intertwined elastic bands are used to make a rectangle. Two persons hold the angles with their legs. The player must complete a series of pattern jumps as the elastic structure is raised.
I know this one.
If you know it's anti-chicken, then comment down below if you do.
Which more comment below if you do. Come out from the YouTube page. Chinese skip. Correct. Let's read another one. Winner of season 5 NBC's The Voice. Tessa and Chin, Spice, Tammy Chin, Dana King. Uno know this.
Walking away!
I mean, I felt that should have been a national holiday when Tessa won.
Where did this come from in the boots?
In my boots? Jizom. One more. A small village located in the parish of St. Thomas where Paul Bogle lived. A, you a ton. B, stony gut. C, a compound maroon. Or D, maroon. Wait, what just happened? The whole live gone.
For that thing that I had, not this. The other
Right
thing.
over here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, I see.
Was it an owl?
Let's put it right here so I can...
No, it's 225.
What just
Crazy.
happened? What just happened? What just happened?
That was crazy.
That was really crazy. Just so, but that's both, no warning. Jeez,
Hey, back.
But we keep getting poor connection. Guys, that was, I don't know what just happened a while ago.
I know.
Sorry. Was Digicel's fault again. Digicel's fault.
Okay, but that is all the time that we have.
What do you mean that is all the time? We'll log back on just to say that is all the time? Let's just drink some more. Get drunk. Stony gut is correct. Boy, Ingrid.
God.
All right, Ingrid, you know your
Guys.
things. Watch it.
Guys,
Come and say goodbye, Levi.
I'm gonna show you.
Guys, we lost the whole first part of this, but don't worry, you'll catch
Bye-bye.
everything in high definition over on my YouTube channel or our YouTube channel. More cards?
On my YouTube channel.
You don't have no YouTube channel.
Yes, I did one with you yesterday.
Oh, like a show? Oh, yes, we have one
You
coming up.
remember the makeup one and the other one? My dad was so mad.
The slime one?
The slime one and
The
the
makeup, yes.
Yeah.
We did a slime one. Okay.
His memory is good, Iman.
Yes, his memory is very good. Alright guys, congratulations to our winner today. Also make sure you check out
Bye.
Jamaican Extra Lessons. You can catch her on her Instagram page at Expert Jamaican.
Bye, guys.
You can check out Kim Possible Waterhouse with her MKNE line of shirts. And it's not just shirts, she has other things there. It's really nice stuff.
It's very nice and it's printed nice.
When I got it out, I was like, this is, and the t-shirt quality is good. You can get your dranky poo on with Levi, with Lady B Mixology. Today our flavor was strawberry passion fruit mojito. If you're placing an order and you say, hey, Jodi sent me, the first person that says that will win my pouch for today, and it will actually have something in there.
And we want to thank our special guest today, Stevie Marie Roman.
Stevie never even get her time. I find everybody coming in the closet today.
Stevie got her
Oh my gosh, man.
Really hard to get all these things.
Oh,
I'm coming with her.
what's the sizing for the shirt like? This is
Hard
the...
to take.
This is a small. Sorry, I can't. The light behind was. I didn't ignore you guys. There was so much going on, man. There was so much going on. Look at that.
Wait, I know why it paused it because Mr. Grinch did it.
Oh my god, I love her so much. You guys love her?
Ah,
You love her? I can't believe she's so small.
She looked just like our Auntie Jodi. Don't you think?
She's gonna have curly hair and I can feel the texture.
Yeah.
Oh, looks.
Lord, I just want to eat her like an Easter time piece.
No, there's a book about that. It's called Mice and Men. Don't do that.
Alright, guys.
Alright guys, that's it for this week. If you want to catch repeats, you have to go over onto our YouTube. And this is exactly why we started our YouTube, because Instagram just kicked me off, Digicel just kicked me off. But you can catch a full repeat with bonus footage at the beginning over on my YouTube channel, and the link is in my bio. I would like to thank everybody who came here today. Nana,
bye.
Levi, Remi, Scott, Sean, and most of all, Stevie.
You guys, isn't this so cool that you get to watch her grow too? It's kind of like we had a baby.
Bye, guys. I'm gonna.
Okay, wait. Alright guys, that's it. See you all next week for another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we're going to lock the doors to the closet. Bye.